We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy...
Hi lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for clicking on this video. I am certainly happy to be here with you guys to bring you another video, and I do hope that you guys are inspired by what you see in today's video. I know you must be wondering, you're sitting here with a robe on today. Well, that's because I have a Temu fashion haul for you guys, and I'm going to be styling these things, and you guys are going to see it in the end. I'm going to share with you guys in a minute, and we're going to be putting this whole outfit together. Okay, so let's just start with some jewelry. These are some beautiful jewelry that I did pick up from Temu. I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys, or they would be on sassyover55.com. And these are beautiful fashion, did I say earrings? Beautiful fashion jewelry, maybe not, I don't know. So these are beautiful fashion jewelry, and of course they do have like this elastic gift to it. And this one, all three of them has a little heart shape. I hope you guys can see that. There we go. And again, fashion jewelry, you put this on and it looks really nice on your hand. You do have a rose gold, a silver, and you do have gold. And I'm sure they're just probably gold plated. But of course it looks so cute on your hands. You know, you can wear these now. You can wear these anytime you want. Again, from Temu. I'm going to leave the price down in the description box for you guys. And I also picked up this little necklace. So we are going to just open things and put everything on today. And here is another beautiful jewelry. It's a necklace. And there we be. And it has like an O. Is that what it is? I'm just noticing this now. It certainly is. And I just randomly selected this one. And I'm sure, again, this is probably going to fade over time. But you do have an O shape with some little, probably, I would say they may be fake diamonds. Because you won't get real diamonds from Temu. Okay? And there we go. Very, very, very pretty. So we are just going to put this on right now. This looks really nice, and this is one of those pieces you can definitely layer with what you already have. So let's just put this on. So here we go. This looks really, really pretty. Again, you can wear this now. You can wear this for the summer, for the fall. You go into your little fancy Christmas dinners, put this on. Really, really girly and dainty, and I do like the little sort of a diamond feature that you do have in there, those fake diamond stone. But it looks really good. I'm going to take off my earrings as well because I do have a pair of earrings to show you guys coming up next. Let's just take this off. But I do like the way this is looking around my neck. It just lands really, really nicely. And so these are a pair of earrings that I did pick up. Let me just grab my scissors. And we are just going to open this up quickly. And these earrings are quite cute. I mean, look at that. They are lovely. Again, you do have these little, you know, sort of a diamond feature on here. Little diamond stones. Looks really, really nice. Okay. Everything is going to be in the description box for you guys. And there we go. Let me just bring that close so you can see it. It is very, very pretty. And of course, we are going to put this on right now. And we're just going to see how this is going to shape the face. Let's just stick that in my ear. And we're going to put that on. Oh my God. That looks really nice. Let's just get the other one on right now. And again, I'm going to leave the prices of everything in the description box for you. And there we be. These are the gorgeous earrings. They look so cute. I guess earrings, and then the beautiful necklace, and these are the bracelets. And then I also have another necklace right here that I picked up. And the reason why I picked this one up as well is because I do want to layer this. So we're just going to open this up. And oh my God, there it is. I mean, let me show you what this looks like up close, guys. Look at how beautiful that is. Very, very, very pretty. And again, it's like an interchange it's not a heart, it's like a big, it's like a zero. It's like an O, I would say. But again, you do have the diamond feature on here, which looks really, really good. And very, very pretty. And again, these are just, you know, fashion jewelry. And I mean, sometimes fashion jewelry doesn't really last a very long time, but it all depends on how you take care of them. So we are going to put this on as well. And we are just going to see how this is going to look. Oh my God, that is just really, really cute. Let's put this on. Okay guys, here we are. Both of them are together right now. They look absolutely stunning. This looked like something I have just picked up from a very expensive jewelry store. Okay, these are from Temu. Okay, you can wear them together. You can wear them individually if you like. Christmas is coming, guys, and the gift giving is endless with these pieces of jewelry. Looks really, really, really pretty. I mean, everything is looking good together so far. The beautiful, gorgeous drop earrings. Again, they do have this little bit of a diamond feature to it. Really pretty. Gift for someone, gift for yourself. Treat yourself to something wonderful. Will be amazing. So next, I'm going to show you guys these beautiful pair of shoes that I picked up. Sorry about that. These shoes are gorgeous. They are stunning. And I know you must be saying to yourself, you know, that it's winter. What are you doing with these shoes? I mean, well, just listen. Winter doesn't last a long time. Great for spring, great for summer. You're going to a Christmas party. You put your boots on in the car. You get to the Christmas party. You change into your shoes. These are gorgeous. And these are a size 8. I went down a size because this elastic sometimes stretches. And this holds your feet so comfortable. And this is a beautiful material. I cannot describe this to you guys, but I do like the pointy tip to it. These are a size 8, which is a 39. And I think the 40 is 8.5, I think. I'm not quite sure. But these shoes are absolutely stunning. They're gorgeous. I mean, if you want to start prepping now for spring, perfect timing. Again, you're going out to your fancy Christmas soirees and your New Year's Eve parties. Why not? They are absolutely gorgeous. From Temu. Again, everything is going to be down below for you. And I also picked up a pair of leggings. Let's just show these to you right now. Oh my God, these are so soft. I mean, if you see me walking down the streets with a pair of leggings on a boots every single day, I got many, okay? And these leggings are so cute. I mean, look at that. They are really, really, really pretty. And they, again, they feel so soft. And great for this time of year too, because I like to stay nice and warm for the winter. Absolutely gorgeous. Great stretch to these as well. And of course, you know, black leggings are always a staple in your wardrobe. It doesn't matter. I have tons of black leggings. So next, I do have this white shirt. Here we be. It is long. You can wear this as a dress. You can put a belt in the waist and do whatever you want. I mean, look at it. It's really, really long. And listen, I am not about to start wearing my shirts inside out, upside down, back to front. I don't know why you're all doing that shit. Just put the shirt on, tuck it, put a belt in the waist. I mean, like, come on already. But again, you know what? If you want to twist your shirt up like a pretzel and wear it, who am I to argue? Okay? But this is really, really pretty. You do have a beautiful patch pocket right here. And again, this is, what's the size of this? I think it's a size, I don't know what it is. It's not even on here, but I'm going to leave it down below for you guys. I think it's a size 12. And so there we be. Long sleeve, beautiful sleeves right here. You can fold this up. It's going to look absolutely fantastic. So let me just get myself changed right now. And you guys are going to see the full outfit on. So just give me 1 second. Be back in a moment. Okay, my loves, here is the shirt. I just rolled the sleeves up. Let me just bring that back down so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, it's a full length shirt. Let me show you guys the back. It's quite long. and I think I had gone down a size with this one. The material feels so good, and I'm just going to roll the sleeves up. Of course, I want to be able to expose my jewelry. Okay, so I'm wearing these jewelry right here, these bracelets, and we do have the necklace on right now, and these are the beautiful, gorgeous earrings, as you can see. Okay, let me bring my camera down so you guys can see the full length of the shirt. Very, very comfortable, very, very pretty. Okay, and of course I'm wearing the leggings. The leggings are so soft. Oh my God, it feels like butter on your skin, and it's like high-waisted, and yeah, it feels really good. And of course I want to show you guys the shoes. Hope you guys can see that. The shoes are so pretty, absolutely gorgeous. They're very, very comfortable, and it's not going to slip off your feet, because of course I went down a size, and the strap is nice and comfortable, because I know sometimes when you wear pointy tip shoes, your feet, your toes feels like it's squished together, but these feel so comfortable on. You can wear these again to your parties, you can wear these to work, take your boots off, and when you get to the office, put on your shoes. You're entertaining, you can go wild with these. It's very, very pretty. There we go. And of course you can just go in with a beautiful handbag and you're good to go. So this is the full outfit from Temu today. We do have the charm bracelets, we do have the 2 necklaces, we do have the earrings on, and of course the shirt, the leggings, and the sandals, all from Temu. And of course I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video and is a little bit inspired by what you see today. Again, everything we talk about is going to be in the description box. And if I post something on Instagram that I got from Temu, you need to get on board and get it really quick, because one of the things I noticed with Temu, you can buy something today and then by the time you go back, it's been sold out. So if you see this full outfit and you like what you see, get on the website right now and get this outfit, okay? So again, I do hope you guys were inspired, and I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. My name is Odette. Thanks for watching. I shall see you next time. Toodles!